Hi everyone, thank you so much for taking a few moments from your busy day and coming to spend it with me. I have a special box today, and this is from NutStop.com. This is, barely lift this, a huge box, and this is extremely heavy. I don't even know what the weight of this is. I can't even imagine what it is. This is all but one bag is in here, and I don't know the best way. I think the best way is for me to put it down and then explain a little bit and then show you. This is killing my back here. Oh. Okay, now that's on the floor, I can give you some information. NutStop.com, very nice gentleman named Eugene contacted me on Instagram. Wanted to know if I was interested in receiving some products that I would share on my Instagram page, my Facebook page, and then, do a dedicated video. And I said, of course, I, being a vegetarian vegan, eat and consume a lot of nuts and more natural, like dried fruits and things like that. Like, I love dried fruits, cranberries and pineapple and just all that kind of dry in like salads. And salads can be boring, so I love like adding the chewy and the crunchy, and just to make a salad a little bit more interesting. I know, like, if you go to a salad bar, you put all a different variety on your salad to make it taste the best for you. If that's the way you like your salads, that's the way I like them, because I need the protein on my salad, because a lot of times salad is my main meal. So I add seeds, I add excuse me, like dried cranberries or dried fruits, and fresh veggies, fresh broccoli, fresh cauliflower, radish, sometimes, like 3-bean salad, anything, black beans, anything to add additional protein, because like I said, that usually is my main meal for dinner. So I was thrilled to get what they call a sample kit. And if this is a sample kit, oh my Lord, phenomenal. They are located in Chicago, which is really nice. My oldest niece lives in Chicago. So like I said, they said I could pick 7 to 10 products. I don't believe I chose 7 to 10 products. I'll tell you what I chose, and then he added a few little extras. I chose almonds, pistachios, dried bananas, dry cranberries, dried pineapple, their signature trail mix, Australian licorice, which I love licorice, black and red. I mean, I could kill a bag of licorice. I mean, I might be sick afterwards, but I love it. And my niece's husband, he loves the black licorice just like I do. So we're usually the only ones that eat that, like black jelly beans. Ugh, phenomenal. And then I chose a 16-bean soup mix, obviously, because I love, making homemade vegetable soup or homemade minestrone soup, or it's a Moroccan lentil soup. Phenomenal. And you need all those, bean type things. So, I mean, very accommodating, very nice and patient, because like what I chose, it was like, well, what kind of almonds? They're raw, they're roasted, no salt. So there was a lot more than just saying you want almonds and pistachios. You had to, which I didn't realize that there were that many variations. This came rather quickly, I will say. I mean, Chicago is not that far from, Pennsylvania. He did, I have my phone. I'm just trying to find his message, because he did tell me okay. So he did give me a special 10% discount code that I can share with all of my subscribers. I will put that on the screen, and it will be in the description box with a direct link that you can click on to NutStop. I always want to say Nut Shop. NutStop.com, and then I think their prices are phenomenal. These bags are a good size. They're not these little tiny bags, which I didn't expect huge bags. I mean, if you set your expectations low, when you're surprised, then it's like, wow. Like, I never assume anything. It's just doesn't happen. So he did give me a 10% discount code, and it's a long code, so I won't say it. I'll just post it up on the screen for now. And It will be in my description box. He did add a few extra bonuses: veggie chips, premium milk chocolate chips, which I'll explain to you in a minute, and garlic chips, which I think is phenomenal. This did come last Friday, and Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday were the hottest days. This came UPS, I do believe. Yes, UPS. And the box literally was outside 2 seconds. I saw UPS coming on our cameras. I had no idea what it was, but I don't like to leave anything out, even if it's a beauty box, because, you know, stuff can get damaged in heat. So I went right out and brought it in and realized it was this box. Well, the chocolate chips were, and he did package it properly. And I'm not going to show you that because it is in the refrigerator still. It came in one of the foil packs, and he tried his best not to have it melt, but it was all melted. It was a liquid. So I put it in the fridge and let it pop up, and you can still break it and eat it. It's still fine. I have not done that yet. So that's the only thing I won't be showing you. So let's just get right in, and I'll show you some of the items that I chose and then were sent to me. So these are the size of the bags. These are huge bags. This is, if I could read this, 454 grams. Is this 16 ounces? I'm confused. Oops. Yeah, 16 ounces. So this is the dried cranberry. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'll show you the back. Dried cranberry. Love dried cranberries. I don't like raisins. It's too blah for me. I love cranberries. Love these in salads. Love these with rice, with brown rice and white rice. So that's the cranberries. Then these are the bonus that he sent, the garlic chips. Love stuff like this. This is 8 ounces. So that's those two. It's hard for me to bend and twist, so hopefully I can get through this. Oops, still fall. These are the roasted salted pistachios, and I like the natural ones, not the red ones. It's just dye, so it's not necessary. So this is 16 ounces, 454 grams. Huge. I mean, these things are expensive, but the prices on NutStop were not out of control. They really were not. These are the veggie chips, and this is 6 ounces, and these are good till 2022. And these are all different kinds. See, I love stuff like this. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love my Doritos and my potato chips, but to snack on this kind of stuff is obviously, you know, better for you. These, now I did open these. These are the almonds, roasted salted, 16 ounces. I'll show you them. Of course, I had to try a few over the weekend. I can't resist. I don't know if you can see in there. And these are perfect roast, fresh, absolutely, and just lightly salted, just the way I like them. If they're too, and these don't say lightly salted, if these are too salty, I can't eat them. It's too much. Like, then I can eat like 2 or 3, and all I can taste is the salt. Well, I want to taste the almonds. I love almonds. I love to snack on these. So these are the almonds. I don't know if I showed you the back. Delicious. Okay, let's get this one. And this is the organic dried banana, and 16 ounces. And we can just, you know, slice these. They always don't look that great when they're dried, but these are very delicious, very sweet. Okay, this is the 16 bean soup mix, and this is 16 ounces right here. Back. So this is all the beans that you need for soup, and probably you don't even need all that, depending on the size of pot of soup that you make. The next one here is the trail mix, the mountain mix, 16 ounces. I mean, this is phenomenal. And this was also in the foil wrap, because there is chocolate bits, and this did fine. The chocolate did not, like I said, it is just one, now it's just one solid block, but trust me, I will snap that against the counter, break that into pieces, and that will get used. I can remelt it. This is the dried pineapple, 16 ounces, This is phenomenal. I mean, I have not opened some of these. I can't open them all, obviously, just because it's way too much. And this is never gonna, it's gonna fall. I know it is. And then, besides the chocolate, which I'm not showing you, this is, I'm just trying to make sure it pops in the window, the Australian red licorice, 16 ounces. So there's here, and I'll show you the back. Now, this I did open and try. I'm not going to lie. Like I said, so just bring some towards the top and give you a little sneak peek. So they're huge pieces. I'm not going to eat one now. I'll wait. They're huge pieces. They're not little tiny nibs or anything. Delicious. Like, I don't know the difference between Australian licorice from this licorice to that licorice, but good, fresh. Like I said, I don't want to open too much. Just, I know, and they're resealable bags, so they will still stay fresh. And all this stuff is good until 2022. So a year, that's a long time. This stuff won't be around, but months, maybe a month, maybe a little bit longer, because there is a lot of stuff here. I'm excited, like even a few of the bonuses that he said. I wish the chocolate didn't melt, but all good. I'm excited for the pistachios. Me and my younger brother love these. I could kill these watching a movie, watching TV. These are, I mean, they look really good. Like I said, I just don't want to open too much at once, even though they're resealable, because I want them to stay fresh. I know it's not going to last, 6 months, but I am curious. Oreo's down because she hears the bag. She thinks they're her treats. That's a shame. Trust me, we'll reorder. Like I said, their pricing is phenomenal for what you get. Which I liked even in just me choosing the products, that, very accommodating. Like, it didn't seem like it was like almost every product I picked. He was like, well, you have this choice, this choice. And then I'd be like, okay, good. And I would pick it. And he's like, now for the pistachios, now for, and I'm thinking, oh my, I'm so sorry. Then I started like getting ahead and being like, I would like this. I would like this. So I tried to, I'm sure he thought I was a pain, but I didn't realize that there were, I figured I could just pick pistachios. I didn't realize there were probably salted, no salted, the natural versus the reds and this and that. So he was very, very kind and sweet. Like I said, his name was Eugene, very accommodating. It's bulk and wholesale nuts, dried fruit, trail mixes at NutStop.com. I will leave all that down in all the information, what I received and what the prices are. I will put their link, put the discount code. Don't forget, if you are interested, 10%, that's a good amount. I will post some links of the items that I received, that if you are interested, you could just click right on the link and go. And I think if you ordered, for a gift and sent, obviously you don't have to send this much stuff like I received, but if you chose a few of like favorite things and sent them as a gift, great packages. And these will, here, these are the dried cranberries. I knew I had a fuzz on me. I could see it out of the corner of my eye. I'm so sorry. Like, if somebody likes dried cranberries, this will last them a long time. But like I said, I love to snack on these. Now, I usually like the little kitchen cups, put some in there, and then like I bring them up when I'm watching TV or a movie. Sometimes I'm watching a movie on my laptop. I'd rather snack on stuff like this than potato chips or pretzels or Doritos, just because this is better for you. But I do snack on the other stuff too. Don't get me wrong. But I will leave links for everything that I got if you are interested. And the chocolate chunks, that would have been awesome if they, premium milk chocolate chips, if they would have stayed that way, because they would be great to bake with, to add to cookies and all that stuff. But trust me, I will, like I said, snap that. I do have a little mallet type thing. I could just tap it and break it and put it in an airtight container. And then if you need a little piece of chocolate, you have a piece of chocolate. I'm not huge on chocolate, but there are other people in my house are, but I don't mind. Like, if I eat savory, I love a sweet. Something small and simple just to satisfy the craving. Now, if I eat something sweet, sometimes I need a savory, something salty, something of that nature to counterbalance so that I'm not stuck with, like, in my mouth, something that's so sweet that it gags you. I cannot wait to get into a lot of the stuff. Tomorrow I am having salad for dinner because my family is having stuffed shells and all that stuff, and I don't eat pasta. So I will be having a nice salad with some cranberries, and I even like the garlic chips. They're small enough that you can pop a few in your salad for your crunch. I usually add sunflower seeds and, like I said, broccoli and cauliflower, peas, some croutons, but I can skip the croutons now and put a crunch from this NutStop goodies that I got and have a beautiful salad, and then it fills me up and I have enough proteins. It does give you all the nutritional information on the back, which is nice. Now, obviously, cranberries don't have protein, but it gives you all that information on the back of the bag. Sodium and cholesterol, fats, fiber, carbs, sugars, all that good stuff. It does tell you, like, a quarter cup is a serving. Quarter cup, you know, that's enough for cranberries. I don't probably take more than that anyway. So this will last me a long time, but some things like that licorice is very good. I will reorder that, and almonds I will reorder, and I will look at some of their others, like their walnuts. I love walnuts in salad, things like that. So I am so grateful for NutStop for contacting me and wanting to send me one of their little sampler boxes. Greatly, greatly appreciate it. This is right up my alley for sure. And I will, like I said, leave all their information, the discount code. So go give them a look. And if this is something that you are interested in, like I said, great gift idea, even if it's just like 3 or 4 items to send off to grandparents, a friend, a sibling, somebody off to college. That's all coming up, that they could have stuff like this, healthier snack options. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a good day, and I'll see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.